Hey goddess babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shonda, and today we'll be doing a review on this new girlfriend I got from UNice hair. This is my beginner friendly tutorial video and review, so if you're interested in what I think about this piece that I just got, then make sure you keep on watching and let's see what you think about this piece. Alright guys, so it came in and I'm so excited. I did not expect it to come this fast. It came probably within a matter of maybe 3 days from when I first ordered it. This is the packaging. So I take it that this bag, the purple bag, can be used to store the wig. And guys, please excuse me. I didn't have COVID apparently when I got tested, or the flu, but I guess maybe sinuses or something I've been battling. I'm not sure, but I'm getting over it. But I still do have a voice kind of sounding a little masculine. So please excuse that. I will do most of the rest of the video in a voiceover as far as the installation. So that way, hopefully it'll make it a little easier on you guys, especially easier on me for talking. So looks like you've got a nice little bundle of items here, which is pretty cool. There's a lot in this bag that's not just a wig. So let's see. Got my little packing slip. What is this? Oh, you know what? I think I got some free stuff. They were doing some kind of special. So hair hydra lotion. I'm not 100% sure what that is. It says perfect for extra dry hair. It transforms your strands to give you healthy, hydrated hair. Used daily to address your hair's needs. I don't know, nice little extra gift. And then I got the package of goodies here, which is nice. They give you a wig cap. I see that already. So it comes with a nice little wig cap here and a wig grip band. So this is like a velvet band that helps to keep your wig in place when you put it on. And what else do we have here? Oh, I couldn't use these about 10 minutes ago. These are cute. I forgot it came with lashes also. So let me find out. UNice or UNice, however you say it, I think it's UNice, has the plug on giving you all kind of goodies with what you're paying for, which I guess is good because it's not cheap, but it is human hair. So, and then let's see what's in this little box here. Wow, now this was unexpected. So this was not listed in the free gifts from my knowledge, but that is so sweet. So it's a little pendant here. It's a cross with 2 hearts and the little necklace. So super cute. That's a nice little touch. Okay, so that's a very cute little gift there. But for the main attraction, which you guys really came for, is the wig. So I will have to put on the screen exactly what I ordered, and I'll put in the description box, of course, to make sure to link right to it. I did get, oh, I can tell already she is pretty. It says on the package that the hair is disinfected. That's nice to know. Y'all, I don't know if I mentioned before, but I am new to this as far as like getting into real human hair wigs. I shouldn't say I'm new. I bought one before, maybe a couple, but it's been a while. I usually am with the synthetic wigs if I wear wigs. That's why I wanted to go ahead and try something new. But first impressions, first off, doesn't smell weird at all. It doesn't have a smell actually at all. Very pretty. I will put, like I said, on the screen and in the description box what length this is. But I think I did get like a wavy, because I do tend to get like a wavier style. One thing I noticed, this is it's shiny. It's got a nice shine, but it's not too over like powering as far as shiny goes. And it is so soft. This is super, super soft hair. I'm just touching it like that because it feels so nice. And most importantly, I am loving this closure. So hopefully you can kind of see. That's one thing that kind of always scares me about lace fronts, is because the closure piece on the lace, I usually am always nervous because I am a true beginner, and having to do all the bleaching and all the plucking and all of that always kind of makes me nervous. So this is super nice. It looks very natural already. Hope you can see that. And then at least around the edges as well. I don't think I'm gonna have to do a whole lot. I have learned how to pluck, so I will do a little plucking if needed. But just from looking, get a little closer in the camera here, looking in there, and excuse, I broke one of my nails cleaning the garage the other day, so if you see that, just ignore that. But anyway, just kind of looking here, looks super nice. So that's the close-up. I hope that's coming in okay. And yes, I am excited to go ahead and give her a whirl. So stick around. The rest of the video, like I said, is going to be in a voiceover, and I will just kind of talk through how I'll do this in a beginner friendly glueless style, because I'm very protective of my edges, and I know there's a way that you can probably do it without having to worry about your edges. My sister is a braider, and she has so many clients. If you haven't seen her work, you probably have. She's huge on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Her name is These Hands Braiding Studio. But anyway, she has so many clients that she comes and transform their hair into the most beautiful braided styles. But they come in and they have so much damage from lace fronts and not having it around the having the hair around the edges. So that always makes me a little bit afraid when it comes to lace fronts as far as glue. So I'm gonna do a glueless method where I'm just gonna use the Gotta Be spray and like a technique using that. So you'll see that. If you're interested, make sure you stick around, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which will be weekly. And if you like this video so far, make sure you hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about the hair, and let's get into it. All right, guys, so before I started, my daughter is actually plucking the wig as I'm applying the wig cap to my hair. So she went ahead and did me a favor and started doing that for me. I do know how to do it, but she was willing to help. So I actually was able to get her to help me with that. At this time, what I'm doing is just spraying my cap down, and that way it'll stay in place with the got to be glued hair spray. So that way the wig cap will stay in place, and it'll allow the wig to lay on there and feel more secure, especially since I'm not using glue for this method. I do want to make sure that I don't feel like the wig is going to go anywhere. So just to make sure that the wig cap blends perfectly with the scalp to make it look more realistic, I am applying some foundation so that way I can make sure everything blends seamlessly. The foundation seemed a little dark, so I went ahead and put some powder on as well. And here is my special guest appearance with my daughter Kayla, who is helping me. She is actually a stylist. She's getting her cosmetology license, so there she is with her beautiful self. But yeah, so she's getting her license. I figured since I was in a hurry this day, I actually had a lot going on. I had to take my husband to the airport, so she was willing to help make this go by a lot faster for me, especially with the first installation. But it is so super friendly. I do these a lot with my synthetic wigs, but just wanted to do something different with the human hair wig that I got from UNice hair. So as you can see, went ahead and laid the wig on, and right now what she's doing is just kind of helping to lay down the hair so that way it makes it easy to glue down. She's gonna help with doing the baby hairs as well. So right now we're just trying to make sure everything is looks good, and I am using just a generic kind of hair store razor that I use when I arch my eyebrows. I like using this instead of the scissors because it makes it not quite as perfect of a cut, which kind of gives it more of a natural look versus using scissors to cut it straight across. So I did pull it forward a little just to make sure that the lace blends with my forehead and not over the cap. It was pushed back a little bit for a second there, so I had to pull it forward so that way you really don't see the cap as much as you see the lace just really blended into my scalp. And this is a HD lace. It isn't bleached. We didn't bleach it. Again, I was in a hurry, had a lot going on, but I also wanted to be able to install it without it being bleached because I wanted you to see how it does still look really good without even bleaching the knots. I will probably go back and bleach the knots later, but it really didn't require it. I think it would just be an extra nice little extra touch. But yeah, here what I'm doing is just taking a gotta be and spraying down the wig itself now to my actual skin. I won't say scalp because it's not actually on my scalp here. It's on my forehead. Thankfully, I've got a lot of forehead. It makes it easy to lay a wig on it. But yeah, you won't really see this part since I am going to have that covered up anyway, but I did want to make sure it wasn't going to be flapping around. My daughter's using a wax there. I'll have to see if I can find the name of it, but really any hair wax will really help to kind of lay the top portion down and make it nice and shiny and sleek. And then she's also using the hot comb, which is a throwback. I haven't used the hot comb in forever, of course, but nowadays you want to make sure you have a hot comb to be able to really help flatten the top where the lace is. One thing I do like about this wig, I didn't realize at first, is that you can part this, not just in the middle part. It has enough lace coverage that you have the ability to part it on the sides as well, so you can wear it in different styles. So yeah, that was a bonus. I really am glad that it has that. But yeah, now she is just going to cut the baby hairs because of course that not only gives it a little bit more style and character, but it also, especially when you're doing a glueless method, it helps to make sure that your wig is going to stay in place because you will be able to either use the spray, or what she's actually using here is using the foam. I normally use the spray, but here we're using the foam because the foam does, she did tell me, and it was nice. This is my sister's foam, by the way, which I really love, and I'll link the information for it in the box below because I told you she's a hair stylist. She braids hair, and this is her braiding foam, but I really love this foam, guys. It is so awesome, and you'll see how much shine it has, and it smells really good. So anyway, my daughter told me how using the foam to lay the edges helps to make it not get so cakey over time. I guess because the foam is a little thinner than the edge control that I typically use. And so yeah, this is the first time doing the foam for the baby hairs, so I'll let you know what I think about that in a future video. I'm sure I'll probably talk about this hair and this style and technique a lot more in future videos. But yeah, she's just applying the foam. So as you guys can see, this was such an easy style, and the wig itself, it came to life once we put that foam on there. I wasn't sure, again, being in a hurry, I didn't have time to really curl this or straighten it or any of that. I do plan to do that with this wig going forward in the future with different styles. But for today, again, really being in a hurry and having a lot going on, the foam really came through. It just really brought out the waves just to kind of give it a wet look. And it was raining this day, so that was perfect as well. So yeah, as you can see, turned out perfect, and I'm really happy with it. So what do you guys think? Let me know. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to helping you guys in future videos. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and let me know what you think. Do you like the look? I plan to wear it curly, straight. This hair is bomb. My daughters gave it a thumbs up, so I think that's a good sign when you get that from teenagers. But anyway, let me know what you think of this video, and let me know what other looks you'd like to see in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching. Bye.